Hi, I'm Rick Kent with Creative Insurance Solutions with another video on the Affordable Care Act plan, and this video has to do with plan availability. You may remember that the original name for the government's website was the Exchange, but the name was revised to Marketplace, which is healthcare.gov. There are two terms you may hear used in purchasing insurance: on and off the exchange. Plans purchased on exchange are plans that are bought through healthcare.gov. Plans purchased off the exchange are plans bought directly from an insurance carrier's website. Again, on exchange are healthcare.gov, off exchange are plans bought directly from an insurance carrier's website, but also private plans that are non-ACA plans. As we go through this video, I'll refer to Affordable Care Act as ACA just for brevity. At this point, I want to clarify ACA plans and non-ACA plans, which are private plans. ACA plans are available on and off the exchange and conform to the government's definition of a qualified health insurance plan. ACA is not an insurance plan. It's the law that defines a structure that every qualified health insurance plan must conform to. I've had clients ask me about ACA plans thinking ACA is insurance, when in fact the ACA defines government insurance plans that are administered by private insurance companies. This is one of the Affordable Care Act's similarities to Medicare. Although Medicare is an insurance plan, other Medicare insurance, like supplements and Part D prescription plans, are government-regulated plans administered by private insurance carriers. I help my clients evaluate both ACA plans and private non-ACA plans. A private non-ACA plan might be less expensive for those that are insurable with no pre-existing conditions. These plans offer comprehensive coverage similar to a traditional major medical, but at a more affordable premium than ACA plans, primarily because these plans are only available to those that are insurable, meaning they're healthy enough to receive the coverage. Anyone applying for an ACA plan is guaranteed to be approved for coverage. Neither acceptance nor the premium rate is affected by the current or previous health condition of the insured. A primary factor affecting premiums of ACA plans is that these plans are available to anyone regardless of their health condition. This increases the potential medical cost coverage risk to the insurance company. ACA plan rates are not even affected by gender. These rates are affected only by geography. The premiums differ for those in different locations of their state. This form of rating is called community-based rating. Another factor for ACA plan rates is age, and then smoking, which is a 50% rate up. Your marketplace is either operated by the federal government through healthcare.gov or your state, if you live in one of the 24 states that operate their own marketplace. There are 36 states that have their residents enroll in marketplace plans on the federal website, which is healthcare.gov. Regardless of how someone accesses on exchange marketplace plans through their state or federal website. The process is very similar for those enrolling in an on-exchange marketplace plan. On a given state's marketplace, there will be specific select insurance carriers that will offer marketplace plans for that state. For Georgia, residents will have a choice of 5 carriers that offer coverage on healthcare.gov, since Georgia doesn't have a state-facilitated website. So Georgia has 5 insurance carriers, but depending on what county a resident resides, all 5 carriers may not be available on the marketplace. However, there will always be at least one carrier offering plans regardless of a person's county. There may be just fewer options. There will always be more options regardless where someone lives with off-exchange ACA plans or private non-ACA plans for those that are insurable, meaning they have no pre-existing conditions. The limited insurance carrier availability will only apply to on-exchange marketplace plans. I have a session on subsidies to explain subsidy eligibility and access, but the primary consideration when taking advantage of an eligible subsidy is that subsidies can only be applied to on-exchange marketplace plans. If I can help you with other information, please feel free to contact me at 770-932-0303, or you can email me at rick@scorecis.com.